How to create an account in Claude. Now in order to create an account in Claude AI, you just simply need to open either the application of Claude or you can use the website of Claude AI. And in order to create an account, you can either use the Google or the email. Just simply select the option which you would like to use in order to create an account. I'll be using my Google, so tap to continue with Google if you want to use it too. And once you do that, just simply select the Google account which you would like to use in order to create an account in Claude and tap to agree and share. And after you do that, your account in Claude will easily be created. Just simply agree to the terms and conditions, then tap to continue. And after this, you can set up your name and you can continue with using Claude in your own device. So this is how you can very easily create an account in Claude. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.